This is Dark Dimensions Haunted House, and we are at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas for Hallowfest 2020. This video is the full train ride. I filmed the left side of the train and Jennifer filmed the right side of the train. So sit back and enjoy and listen to the Halloween music while riding this train.
Welcome to the Fiesta, Texas Railroad. You are now boarding the Jim Reed Anderson train. All we ask is that you please remain seated with your hands on feet, legs inside the train at all times, and that your face mask stays on and above your mouth and nose at all times. Other than that, remain seated, sit back, relax, and enjoy your journey around Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. Opened its doors on March 14, 1992, before it was bought by Six Flags in 1996. Six Flags Fiesta, Texas is home to a lot of award-winning shows and entertainment, along with record-breaking rides and attractions. So make sure you check out our world-class entertainment and attractions after you ride. Meaning that it is made from wood and steel, using the same wooden supports as the original rally that we designed here in 1992 to 2012. Station, please remain seated until you hear the final whistle from the engineer. Once you hear the whistle, you may stand up and exit the train. Once again, guys, for your safety, please remain seated until you hear the final whistle blow. Texas Railroad. My name is Glenn, and I'll be your conductor. your mask. If we have to tell you more than 3 times, we will politely ask you to leave. Once again, please make sure that you are wearing your mask above your nose and over your mouth. Batman, they are located in Rockville. Located in Rockville. We will be approaching our stop soon. It's just a reminder that you must stay seated until the final whistle blows from the engineer. Once again, please make sure that you are staying seated until you hear the final whistle blow. Once we approach the stop, I will ask you to please exit to the left side of the station. We will be sanitizing our train. So whenever we stop, please exit to the left of the station.
Thanks for watching Dark Dimensions Haunted House YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and check out our other videos. We have many other Hallowfest videos from Six Flags Fiesta, Texas.